Hello everybody, how to use reverb gate effect. Okay, first you load the send effect, so effect channel, so and then here you have your reverb and then you have here your gate. For this demonstration I use a simple gate and also a preset. So here's the gate and the reverb. After that you go to your snare and I put here a phaser on that, and here's the snare reverb with the gate. So, and the thing is, when the snare signal are loud, become the snare signal reverb. So when the snare signal are done, the gate are close the reverb. So the gate cuts the tail from the reverb after the snare signal. I hope this was a good example for that. But better is we listen that first, and then you become the idea. So here's the snare, and here's the reverb. And now I make activate the circle on, because we listen one more time, and by this time we use the sidechain function in Cubase. You see what I mean. Okay, thank you for watching and thank you for your time. And I hope you become the idea. And yeah, this was Paul, and take care. Bye.